Hi, I'm Aaron Brooker, agronomist for Michigan and Northern Indiana. They say the sins of planting will haunt you all season, and we don't have a lot of margin with the farm economy right now to make mistakes at planting, whether it's poor emergence, erratic emergence, or things like that, that we really can't make up for later in the season. That's one pass out of the year that it's really hard to recover from if there are mistakes that are made. So today I just wanted to provide a short video to just provide a resource here. We've got a checklist that I'm going to attached to the video, but it's just going to give you a checklist from the PFR team of things you need to be thinking about as you're completing that planter maintenance, whether it's the parallel bars or making sure those disc openers are not too worn and that they're set correctly, and even some in-field adjustments that we need to make. Remember planting depth and checking that once we get into the field. So a lot of things on this list that it's just a good resource here to make sure you're checking everything. And we don't need to necessarily put a lot of money into our planters, but making sure what we have is going to work to its best capabilities is really going to be critical every year, but in this farm economy especially. Now, if you were looking to make an upgrade, a small upgrade, now a lot of us have already done this, but if you were still looking to make an upgrade, one of the things that's been the most successful study in PFR has been our closing wheel study. So spiked closing wheels, you can see on the screen here. We've tested a variety of these, and all of them have been better than just the standard solid rubber closing wheels. So all of these spiked closing wheels, if set up properly, usually are going to be better. So it doesn't necessarily matter which one you choose. Now, you can see some of them have performed a little bit better in our PFR testing. So that's something to look at. You can also see the really, really low acres to pay off. So even though there might not be a lot of extra money this year, I really think this is still a wise investment that could add bushels and add profitability to your crop this year. So just a couple things there. Again, there's going to be that link to that checklist. I highly recommend you just take a look at that, work through that as you're setting up your planter, and in a few short weeks, it'll be planting season. So hard to believe, but here we are. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or your local Beck's representative. We're always happy to help. Thanks a lot.